There's a type of tea. Not only does it soothe pain, but it also helps your body heal itself better than any medication. But the question is, why has it been hidden? And why have most people never heard of it? In the modern world, where the pharmaceutical industry worth trillions of dollars dominates, we are educated to believe that pills are the solution. But what if I told you, nature has provided an even more powerful solution? Today, I'm going to reveal to you the number one tea used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, and modern research has shown that it works far beyond expectations. The tea I'm talking about is not something foreign. It's not a new invention. It's an ancient secret, fresh ginger tea. Ginger, also known as Zingiber officinale in traditional medicine, is not just a spice. It's a superfood for healing, used for over 5,000 years from India, China, to ancient Greece. In fresh ginger, scientists have discovered over 100 active biological compounds. Among them, gingerol, a powerful natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, is considered the heart of ginger's medicinal properties. Imagine this. When you drink a cup of fresh ginger tea, gingerol immediately begins to work in your body. It soothes inflammatory responses, as if it's putting out the smoldering flames in your joints, blood vessels, and digestive tract. It slows down oxidation, protecting cells from being damaged by free radicals, the culprits of premature aging and disease. It activates natural enzymes in your body, helping detox the liver, improve circulation, and boost immunity. That's not just a drink. That's a healing ritual. With every sip of tea, you're not just enjoying the natural spicy flavor, you're activating the innate healing abilities your body already possesses. Recent clinical studies even show that ginger tea helps reduce muscle soreness after exercise. It helps treat knee osteoarthritis just as effectively as some NSAID medications, but without side effects. It quickly relieves nausea, especially nausea caused by chemotherapy or pregnancy. And the best part? Ginger tea doesn't discriminate by age. Whether you're 25 or 75, just one cup of ginger tea every day, you're silently protecting your heart, joints, digestive system, and even your mind from the quiet destruction of time. Yet, this simple tea has almost disappeared from mainstream health guides. Why? The answer will make you reconsider everything you've believed so far. So, why is such a simple, effective tea being hidden? Why haven't you heard this advice from your doctor or seen it on those big advertisements out there? The simple but heartbreaking answer: because it doesn't generate profit. Let's take a deeper look at how the system operates. A new pill, patented, can bring in billions of dollars each year for a pharmaceutical company. A natural remedy like ginger tea? It can't be patented. No exclusivity. A cup of ginger tea only costs a few dollars. Who will spend money on something as simple as that? This is not a conspiracy theory. This is pure economics. The healthier people are naturally, the fewer prescriptions are written. The fewer prescriptions, the less profit. And so, natural solutions get pushed to the sidelines. Not because they don't work, but because they don't fit the current business model. Did you know? Many traditional herbs like turmeric, cinnamon, licorice, once considered the foundation of medicine for thousands of years, were pushed aside in the 20th century when industrial medicine took over. We are not taught how to heal ourselves. We are taught how to depend. But you still have a choice. You can choose to return to ancient wisdom, to what nature has provided, and begin your healing journey, starting with the simplest things: a piece of ginger, a cup of warm water. A small decision, but one that brings great change. Next, I'm going to show you the simplest way to brew ginger tea properly, and how to turn this small habit into a powerful natural remedy every day. Now that you know why fresh ginger tea is so valuable, how can you make the most of its power in the right way? Here's the simplest recipe. Take a fresh piece of ginger, preferably organic. Peel it lightly, or just scrape the skin off with a spoon. Then slice it thinly or crush it slightly. Boil 500 milliliters of water, then add the ginger, cover, and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Want to enhance its medicinal properties? You can add a little ground black pepper to activate the bioavailability of gingerol, just like how black pepper enhances curcumin in turmeric. A small cinnamon stick to help balance blood sugar naturally, or a few slices of fresh lemon when the tea is still warm to boost vitamin C and flavor. Don't underestimate a small cup of tea. It's not just a drink. It's a signal you send to your body every day. I choose to heal. I choose to love myself. To make ginger tea a part of your healthcare journey, keep in mind, white heavy checkmark drink 1 to 2 cups a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach or in the evening to aid digestion and relaxation. White heavy checkmark, don't add white sugar. If needed, only use a little raw honey. White heavy checkmark, stay consistent for at least 21 days, the average time for your body to begin noticing positive changes. You'll be amazed when you realize a small habit, when maintained long enough, can completely change the way your body operates. Less inflammation, less pain, more vitality, and a quiet but profound belief that you can create your own health. Start today. 1 cup of ginger tea, a small commitment, and your self-healing journey has begun. According to Dr. Andrew Weil, a renowned expert in integrative medicine, ginger tea is not just a wonderful healing solution for the body, but also a powerful preventive method for many health issues. He shares, ginger can help reduce the risk of infections, support digestion, and even lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. Research shows that ginger is one of the most effective herbs in preventing chronic diseases, including diabetes and age-related issues. Additionally, Dr. Josh Axe, a nutritionist and author of several health books, affirms, ginger tea is one of the best foods for relieving body aches, supporting detoxification, and even stimulating metabolism effectively. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your overall health, ginger tea is a must-try option. It not only helps reduce inflammation and pain, but also boosts your immune system, protecting you from minor illnesses and even more serious problems. Nutrition expert Dr. Mark Hyman also believes that ginger tea is a great natural remedy to start your day. He recommends, a cup of ginger tea every morning is a wonderful way to cleanse your body, activate digestion, and maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. With all this advice from top experts, you'll realize that ginger tea is not just a simple beverage, but a secret to healthy living that we can start applying today. Avoid drinking ginger tea when you've been on an empty stomach for too long after waking up. If your stomach feels a bit weak, try drinking it after breakfast. People with digestive issues, especially stomach ulcers, please consult your doctor before using ginger tea long-term. If you found this information useful, don't let it stop here. Share this video with your loved ones, those who are seeking natural solutions to improve their health. Help them realize that true health starts with the smallest choices in life. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't wait any longer. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next natural health tips. We will continue sharing more simple yet powerful methods to help you live healthily every day. So what are you waiting for? Start your healing journey right now with a warm cup of ginger tea. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a wonderful, energetic day.